Buying a home is supposed to be a dream come true, but many first-time buyers are blindsided by unexpected fees that can really add to the stress. Are you ready to tackle those hidden costs? When you're buying a home, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of it all, but it's essential to take a step back and understand all the costs involved. You see, there's a lot more to it than just the sales price of the property. In fact, there are numerous fees that can really add up, and if you're not prepared, they can blow your budget out of the water. One of the main reasons homebuyers are often caught off guard is because they're not aware of all the fees involved. It's not just about the down payment and the mortgage payments you need to worry about. There are plenty of other costs that can sneak up on you if you're not careful. So in this video, we're going to break down all the shocking fees you'll pay when buying a home. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what to expect and how to plan for these costs. So let's dive right in and get started. The earnest money deposit is often one of the first fees you'll encounter when buying a home. It's a good faith deposit that's submitted with your offer, and it's usually a percentage of the purchase price. The amount can vary depending on the location, the type of property, and the seller's requirements. In some cases, it could be as low as 1% of the purchase price, while in other cases, it can be as high as 10%. The purpose of the earnest money deposit is to show the seller that you're serious about buying the property. It's a way to guarantee your offer and demonstrate your commitment to the deal. Once your offer is accepted, the deposit is typically held in the escrow account until the deal closes. After that, it's applied to the down payment or closing costs. One common misconception about the earnest money deposit is that they're non-refundable. However, that's not always the case. If the deal falls through due to a contingency such as a failed home inspection, you may be able to get your deposit back. But if you simply change your mind or back out of the deal, you could lose your deposit altogether. It's essential to understand the terms of your earnest money deposit and what happens to it after the deal. That way, you can avoid any unexpected surprises down the line. Closing costs are another significant expense to consider when buying a home. These are the fees associated with the finalization of the sale of the property. They can include things like title insurance, appraisal fees, and attorney fees, among other things. Closing costs can add up quickly, ranging from 2 to 5% of the purchase price. One of the most surprising things about closing costs is how quickly they can add up. You might think you're getting a good deal on the property, but then you're hit with the huge bill of closing costs. That's why it's essential to factor these fees into your budget from the very beginning. In many cases, buyers are able to negotiate with the seller to cover some or all of the closing costs. However, this isn't always a possibility, and you need to be prepared to pay these fees yourself. Home inspections are another vital part of the home buying process, and they come with their own set of costs. A home inspection is a thorough examination of the property to identify any potential issues or defects. An inspection can cost anywhere from $300 to $1,000 or more, depending on the location, type of property, and types of inspections being conducted. The cost of a home inspection may seem like a lot, but it's a small price to pay for the peace of mind it can bring. A home inspection can help you identify potential issues with the property before you finalize the sale. That way, you can avoid costly repairs down the line or even back out of the deal if the problems are severe enough. In many cases, home buyers are tempted to skip the home inspection to save money. However, this can be a huge mistake. A home inspection is a vital part of the home buying process, and it can save you from a lot of the financial headaches in the long run. Property taxes and homeowners insurance are two ongoing costs that many home buyers don't consider when buying a home. Property taxes and homeowners insurance are two ongoing costs that many home buyers don't consider when buying a home. Property taxes are levied by the local government and can vary depending on the location and value of the property. Homeowners insurance, on the other hand, is a type of insurance that protects your home from damage or loss. Both of these costs can significantly impact your monthly budget, and they need to be factored into your financing equation. Property taxes can range from a few $100s to several $1,000s per year, depending on the location and the value of the property. Homeowners insurance, on the other hand, can cost anywhere from $800 to $2,000 or more per year, depending on the location, value, and type of property. In addition to property taxes and homeowners insurance, There are several other fees that home buyers need to consider. These can include HOA fees, maintenance costs, and even special assessments levied by the local government. HOA fees, for example, are monthly or annual fees paid to the homeowners association to maintain the common areas of the community. These fees can range from a few $100s to several thousands of dollars per year, depending on the type of community and the level of service provided. Maintenance costs, on the other hand, are the costs associated with maintaining and repairing the property over time. These can include things like plumbing, electrical work, and even routine maintenance like lawn care and snow removal. All these fees can add up quickly, and they need to be factored into your budget from the very beginning. That way, you can avoid any unexpected surprises down the line. In summary, buying a home involves a lot more than just the sales price of the property. There are numerous fees and costs that need to be factored into your budget, including the earnest money deposit, closing costs, home inspections, property taxes, and homeowners insurance. By understanding these costs and planning ahead, you can avoid any unexpected surprises and make your home buying experience a whole lot smoother. If you're looking for more information on how to budget for a home, be sure to check out our next video. And in the meantime, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you had any experiences with home buying fees that caught you off guard? Share your stories with us and we'll do our best to provide some valuable insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.